Hello and welcome. You are now looking at the website for Amazon S3. And Amazon S3 is the storage facility for companies and individuals to use for their digital assets. Now, the underlying server, Amazon AWS, is used by a number of large brands in order to run their software as a service as well as their own storage. But it works extremely well as a storage area in the cloud for individuals to have their files stored and served. And in this course, we are going to set up your storage facilities for Amazon S3 to use with your website, your digital download delivery, as well as streaming audio and video. We'll also talk about integrating Amazon S3 with other applications, as well as transferring storage between different online storage facilities. And also, we'll walk through the process of backing up your files from your personal computer or from your online activity into Amazon S3. Now, one of the obvious benefits of Amazon S3 is that it is scalable. It means you'll be able to use an unlimited amount of their storage, as well as the pricing, which is considered to be good for storage and reasonable for bandwidth and streaming. So with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.